Hi, this is Willow from the Pomeranz Business Library. Today we're going to look at the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics site. We're going to find wage data and unemployment rates. So of course we're going to start at the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics homepage, and you can find this by Googling it or going to bls.gov. So this is a product of the United States Department of Labor, and it focuses on collecting data related to the nation's economy and relating to employment, unemployment, and then other characteristics of the labor force like consumer and producer prices, consumer expenditures, wages, compensation, productivity, things like that. Okay, there's a number of ways you can access the data on here. If you scroll down, you can see on the right-hand side there's some of the latest numbers. These are national numbers. So you can see here's consumer price index, unemployment rates. So this is the most recent number, and then if you click on that little icon on the side, you'll get historic numbers as well to see that. You can also see that there's a lot of latest publications listed down here below. You may want to search at the top right corner. I find that not the easiest way to find information on the site. For me, the easiest way is to look at this subject section. So if you click on that subjects part at the top, you can see everything that is covered on this site pretty clearly. So there's inflation and prices, pay and benefits, spending and time use. This how Americans spend time is quite interesting. Unemployment, employment, workplace injury, and so on. Okay, so if we want to find some information about unemployment, we can click up here on national unemployment or state and local unemployment. We'll click on that state, and we can get this information. Down the right-hand side is all the states listed with the most recent unemployment rate. And then you can click on the little icon again and get the historical unemployment rates. If we want to find something, say, about a wage data by a specific occupation, we're going to go down to pay and benefits, go down to wage data by occupation. And in this section, it's not immediately clear what to click on. They're trying to make it really clear that the data is a little bit outdated. So the May 2021 wage statistics won't be released till March 31st, 2022. The current May, what is on here is May 2020 data, and so we can look at that. So we're going to look on this occupation profile section and click on that. So here we see the major occupational groups, and if we scroll down, you can see that there's like a bunch under each one. It's really easy to do kind of a search on here, so you can search for retail or something along those lines, just by doing Control F or Control Find. But you can also just click into any of them. So I can say like, okay, let's look at sales managers here. I'm going to click onto sales manager, and then I can see this is the national data. So how many with the employment, how many are employed in this job, right? Mean hourly wage, mean annual wage here, okay? And then I can get some additional information as well if I scroll down. If I want to know the data by state or geographic region, I can click on geographic profile for sales managers, and then I can see the different states. And you can just hover over them, right? So I can see here's Nevada, right? Here's California, and it will pop up if you just like mouse over it. You can also see that there's the states with the highest employment level in sales managers and so on. So there's a bunch of data on here, okay? So hopefully that gives you a good introduction on using the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.